Hello and welcome to a new video about AccuCampus. Today we're going to talk about services in AccuCampus. There are two ways to enter services into AccuCampus: manually typing the services into the application and importing the services from an external source. To enter the information for services manually, please click on General, Services. If you want to create a new one, just click Create Service. General information. Name. This is the name of the service you want to offer at your location. Type is used to group the services of the same kind. Please note that this also shows up in search results. Order. This is used when sorting the services in a list. Services with lower value will be displayed first. Description. This is an optional field that describes the purpose of this service. Available in all locations checkmark. Use this option if you want this to be available in all locations. Show in Compass. Please select this option if you want this service to show in Compass that students use both in AccuCampus and when they log in online. Categories. If you choose to show in Compass, then select the available Compass category that this service will fall under. In this case, I am going to select Athletic Advising. Make sure to click Save when you're done. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this. Goodbye.